We nearly didn't have you as the Banshee of Inisherin because you didn't have a
Yeah,
little
yeah.
injury before the set and you thought you wouldn't get it, but Martin wanted you and he got you there.
I was nominated for Best Actress for the Beauty Queen Gleeson. Now, he didn't see me, but he must have known something because I fell down and the chemist tripped over and Richard came over, now picked me up. And all I could say was, the film's gone.
Yeah.
The money was brilliant, which helps.
Oh, it
And
does.
the part, and Martin was my God, and is my God. We're in contact still. And he is my God, and I love his work. And I thought I won't get it now anyway, because I was battered here, battered there, and broken shoulder.
Really bad fall.
Yeah, bad. And luckily, I knew most of the crew,
Yeah.
you know, like or Carol and people like that. And she was saying, "Now you'll be grand, you'll be grand." But there was this lovely producer, Jo. She was lovely. And she said to me, "No, you'll be fine, you'll be fine." And I, if you saw me now, I'm not joking, I couldn't describe it. And eventually she said, I said, "What about all the lovely actors in Galway? I mean, brilliant, brilliant actors down." And she said, "But Martin said I want Sheila." And I was kind of vulnerable, really. I wasn't too sure. I had it all off. I had everything
Ready to go.
ready to go. But in the end, Jo said, "Look, you're coming down to the readings. We have readings in the Druid and you're coming down." And my son David came down with me. And Merck came to the door, took us down to Galway. And I got a round of applause when I went in. To small
Rightly
cast,
so.
cast of 11. And I was thrilled to bits. And then should have been 2 or 3 days. And David said, "No, I think the best thing we could do is just do the one day and come back up." And they had the sleeve already made before I went down. They had for under the cloak.
They were really minding you.
They were minding me like, oh my God.
Like a gold bar, which is
Like
what
a
you are.
gold bar.
And they got you on set and you formed a special relationship with the one and only Colin Farrell.
Colin, the gas thing is, you know, we did a bit of film before, but neither of us remembered the film. All I remembered was he was running down Dawson Street and I was doing something else. And I know I had lovely photos taken when we were very friendly and all that, but we don't know what we did. And I worked with Brendan before. He probably, well, you don't think he remembered. He was doing Michael Collins in The Treaty.
Wow.
And there was Laurie Morton, rest her soul now, and Anna Manahan.
Oh, wow.
And myself, we were the 3 old ones. So kind of, I knew them, but not that well. But Colin, there was something about, he's just the kindest person, I swear to God. You couldn't meet anybody like him.
He's a big fan of theatre, right? And that's probably why he took such
And
a
I
liking
think,
to you.
yeah, because like I said to him, like, "Why did you go and call my name out?" I was thrilled when he called my name out at the Globals. I mean, I couldn't believe it. I was just so excited. And then he said, because you're a legend, you know, you're a legend. That's it, legend. Legend.
amazing.
I thought, now, is this my age now or my work? But I know he admires what I did on
Yeah.
stage because he loves theatre too.